Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Lewis and welcome back to another video here on the Tim's Pressure Washing channel. In today's video we're going to be showing you guys how we clean this semi-dirty pool screen and cage. The reason why I said semi-dirty is because we cleaned this pool cage for this customer like a year ago, and he wants us to clean again because of all the pollen during the spring and because we did a fantastic job for him. Right now I'm just showing you how the pool cage looks like before we start to work. As you can see, there's a bit of green mold on top of the pool cage right there. A bit of green mold right there as well, above the entranceway to the house. There's some green mold right there as well on the frame. Looking from the other side, some green mold right there as well. Just zoom in just to show you guys how it looks like. And here's the final shot of the cage before we start working. Again, the pool cage is not that bad, but we have to get money somewhere. This pool cleaning is sponsored by our own homemade chemical, Hang Tough, to meet all of your pressure washing needs. If you want to try our chemical, let me know in the comment section down below. And there you guys have it, a clean pool screen and cage, clean from front to back. As you can see from the video, the owner walked out and was telling me how beautiful his pool deck was when I was recording the footage here. He really loves the work we do for him. That's pretty much it. All the green mold that you saw in the beginning of the video have now disappeared, and the frame now looks shiny and bright white. If you enjoyed what you saw, please remember to rate the video, comment the video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos similar to this one. See ya, and enjoy the rest of the after footage.